Now next questions. Question number 3. Find area of triangle. Now you have a triangle like this. You have this indicator, this is 90 degrees, then this is called altitude or H also, altitude or LT. This is, and this one is 50. Just seeing this diagram, you can find the area equal to half into H is given or altitude into L. So this is 1 into 30 into 50. So this gone 750, that square units. Why? Because units are not there. So you have to write square units. Second question, see this diagram. So here there is no height. Extend this and you have somewhere else like this angle 90. So this is your triangle A, B, C is a triangle. Height is outside the triangle and it is given, base is here 10, height is given 20. Now height is there outside the triangle, but this is here altitude. Why? Because this line is extended. So the perpendicular distance between the vertex to the base is 20. Again we can write area of triangle ABC equal to perpendicular height that is AP into BC. AP 1 by 2. Okay, AP is 1 by 2 into AP is 20 and this is 10. This goes now 10 into 10, 100 square units. Units we have to write. Okay, this way if you have a diagram like this, so base will be less than PC, base up to BC only. Still we can take the perpendicular height of the triangle like this way. So just seeing the figure we can find the area. Now another type of, this is also a triangle. This is called your height, and height is represented, height and base have always 90 degrees in between them. So this is 30, this will be 60. Suppose find the area of triangle ABC. Here height is in between the triangle and side of that is BC. So again area equal to half into 30 into 60. This and this gone 30, 30 is a 9, 3 3 is a 9, 00 square units. So this is the general. Now we are going to find important question. What is that? Equilateral triangle. Find the equilateral triangle, area of equilateral triangle whose sides are given. Sides are, suppose we are taking A. Equilateral triangle. Find area of equilateral. Equilateral means our sides are equal. Equilateral triangle. We know that equal to root 3 by 4 side square. This is area. Area equal to root 3 by A is our side. If it is S, so root 3 by 4 S square, that is side square. So you have a question, if side of a equilateral triangle is 25 centimeter, then find area of it. So we know that it is equilateral triangle, one side is given, so A equal to 25 given, that is in centimeter. Okay, in solution we have to write area. We know that area is what? Root 3 by 4 side square. So root 3 by 4 as it is into 25 square. So this is nothing but root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4 side is how much? 25. 25 into 25 square is there. If you multiply, you will get 625 by 4 root 3. If it goes, if you want to cancel, you cancel it up to two decimal places, or otherwise this is your answer. Okay, like that we can find the area of equilateral triangle. Again you will get the figure also. Just seeing this, you have to say that this is a, suppose this 10, this also 10, this also 10, it is A, B, C. Now find this. Just see, seeing all three are equal, so area of equilateral triangle is equilateral triangle. This is indication of triangle equal to root 3 by 4 side square. So root 3 by 4, 10 square. This is root 3 by, this is root 3 by 10 square. Root 3 by 4 into 10 square means 10 into 10. How much that is? Root 3 by 4, 10 tens are 100. It goes with 100, 25 times it goes. So 25 root 3 square units. 25 into root 3 square unit is a area of a equilateral triangle. Now height, what relation between side and height of a equilateral triangle? This is very important. It is a equilateral triangle. A, B, C is a equilateral triangle. It has sides are A. If you draw a perpendicular, that is called height. Okay, this is your height. Now what relation is there? We know that height equal to root 3 by 2 side times of side. This is the relation. Okay. If A is given, you can find H. H is given, you can find A. And two more question you will have. What is that ratio between height and side of a equilateral triangle, especially equilateral triangle is height first we have taken na. So this is nothing but root 3 times 2 is root 3 times, and suppose ratio is like that. Ratio is like that. Which type? Ratio between side and height. First we are taking side of equilateral triangle is what? First side is there, so side is greater than its height. So it is 2, it is 1.73. Root 3 is 1.73, or square of this is 4. Root 4 equal to 2. Root 4 is always greater than root 3. So these are the theoretical question. This is a ratio between height and side. Height first value should be taken less, and side and height first value should be greater. So like that we have to compare. Now we have to solve one problem on height and side. Now question 1, find height of equilateral triangle whose side is 20 centimeters. Here this is given, this 20, this 20, and this also 20. You have to find H. You know that H is what? Root 3 by 2 times A. So H equal to, this is root 3 by 2, A is nothing but 20. So half you have to take 10 root 3 centimeter. Okay, this is like this we can find the value. Again, if A side equal to 40, H equal to what? 20 root 3. Half of this you have to take. Side equal to, this is side. Side is given, just you half into root 3 times this. If it is 80, so H is what? 40 root 3. If side A equal to 100, half of 100 is 50. So H equal to 50 root 3. Just this is also in same centimeters. This is in centimeters, this also centimeter. If side of a equilateral triangle A equal to 50 centimeters, if it is in meter, so H should be 50 by 2 is 25. 25 into root 3 meters. Like this we can find the height if we know the sides. Now we can take other questions. Question 2. Find side of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle whose height is, we are taking height as 10 centimeter. Now height is 10 centimeter, you have to find side. So we know that solution. We know that H equal to root 3 by 2 times A. Now you have to find A. A is what? It goes up and this come denominator. So A equal to 2H by root 3. Just you have to double it, divide with root 3. So H is here 2 into 10 by root 3. If it's there, otherwise you can write this 2 times are 20 root 3. If it is here bit, okay, otherwise you can rationalize with this 20 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So you will get root 3, this 20 root 3 by 3. This is a solution. These are this a bit in your exams. For equilateral triangle, H equal to 30 root 3. Find A. A is what? Side. Side of triangle. So we know that A equal to double of that, double of H into divided by root 3. So this is 2 into 30 root 3. H value is 30 root 3 divided by root 3. So the root 3 get cancelled. So you have this 60 centimeters. It is in centimeters. If H is in centimeter, then this also centimeter. Like this we can find the number of questions. If find side, H equal to 40 root 3, then A is question mark. So A is what? 2H by root 3. 2 times 40 root 3 divided by root 3. Root 3 gone. So this is 80 centimeter or meter. If it is in meter, you have to write it this also in meter. Like that we can find for a equilateral triangle area, side and H. So relation and their ratios. Very important question, their ratios. Okay. This way we can find the values. Now a question is there, if two perpendicular sides of a right angle triangle are 20-30 meters, then find its area. Right angle triangle means like this. This is 20 or this is 30. This is perpendicular side. These two sides are given. Now we have to find the area. So we know that product of this. So area of right angled triangle is equal to half into product of perpendicular sides. This is here perpendicular sides. So this is half into perpendicular sides are what? Product means we have to multiply it. So it goes with 2 is the 2 15s are 30, 10 square meters, because it is in this one 300 meter square or square meter we have to write. So this is the product of perpendicular sides. Half of product of perpendicular side is area of right angle triangle. So sometime we will get this formula also as bit. area of perpendicular side equal to half into product of perpendicular side or a half into product of uh, uh, one side of one perpendicular side and hypotenuse, like that you will get different bits. You have to select that half into product of perpendicular side is a area of right angle triangle. Now you have a question. What is that? If two perpendicular sides of a right angle triangle is 6 and 8, then find third side. So this is your right angle. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. The sides which make 90 degrees. These two are perpendicular. Take 6, this is 8. Now you have to find this question mark. Suppose it is A, B, C. So opposite to that is hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse we don't know, so it is AC square. Opposite is, we can take AB or and BC here, BC. So AB is, you know that 6 square plus BC is 8 square. So this is square of 6, 36, square of this 64. Again this is AC square. AC square is hypotenuse. It is sum of 100. AC is what? Root over 100, that is 10. If it is in centimeters, you have to write centimeters. So hypotenuse of a third side, hypotenuse of a triangle, right angle triangle is 10 meters. And you have to remember that for any right angle triangle, always hypotenuse is the highest value comparing to the two perpendicular sides. Now we are going to see quadrilaterals. In quadrilateral, first we have a square. Four side closed figure is quadrilateral, in which these are the standard quadrilateral: square, rectangle, parallelogram, fourth one trapezium, and four side quadrilateral. Rhombus, one more is rhombus. These are the standard one. Apart from this, quadrilateral. This is fifth. Sixth one is any quadrilateral, general quadrilateral, which cannot be defined in all these five. Okay, that is called quadrilateral. In a square, all sides are equal. A square have all sides are equal and each angle is 90 and diagonals also equal. Here D1 equal to D2, all sides are equal, all sides are equal, and diagonals also equal. Each angle is A, B, C, D. Each angle A equal to angle B, and this equal to C, and this equal to D, that is 90. Area of square, area of that is a square, is equal to side square, side into side, that is side into side, and perimeter of square equal to what? Perimeter of square equal to 4 into side. So like this we can solve this. Now see one question number 1. Find area of square whose side is 20 meters. So solution is what? Area equal to 20 square, side square, that is 20 into 20 meters square. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 0 0. If it is in meters, okay, meter you have to take. If it is in centimeters, you have to take. So this is in a meter square. Like this we can find the perimeter. Question 2. Find perimeter if side is 20 meters. So perimeter equal to 4 into side. Perimeter 4 into 20 meters, that is 80 meters. Okay, like that we can find. And diagonal also. Third question, find diagonal of square if side is 20 meters. So diagonal is what? Diagonal is d square equal to a square plus a square, or this is d square equal to 2 times a square. So this is nothing but root 2 times side into root 2 times. Diagonal equal to root 2 times side square. Root 2 times we have to take. So d equal to 20 root 2 meters. Just root 2 times of the side equal to diagonal. If you get this type of figure, all sides are equal, diagonals is given, so it is a all sides are equal, diagonal is given. Now and 90 degrees is there, so it is a square. In a square, diagonal is what? Root 2 times of side. So d equal to root 2 into 30, that is 30 root 2 over. If it is meters, you have to write meters. Okay. So this is a relation. If diagonal is given, you have to divide the find side of a square whose diagonal is 30 centimeter. If diagonal is given, so d is given, that is 30. Now you have to find side. A you have to find. We know that a equal to d by root 2. So this is 30 by root 2. 30 by root 2, if it is bit, okay, otherwise you have to rationalize it with 2. So you have root 2, dividing and multiplying, you will get that 30 root 2 divided by root 2, 2. So 2 into this 15. 15 root 2 is a side of a triangle. So like this we can find the diagonal side and this for a square. Now rectangle. For rectangle what? Opposite sides are equal. This equal to this. This single line indicate these two are equal. This means these are equal. A, B, C, D. And diagonals. In this also diagonals are also equal. D is equal. And each angle is 90. Each angle is 90. So opposite sides are equal and diagonals are equal. Angles are is 90. Area is what? Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Okay, length and breadth. Perimeter is what? Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is P, that equal to 2 times L plus B. 2 times L plus B we have to take. Now diagonally of this square, diagonal square equal to L square plus B square, or D equal to root over L square plus B square. Using these three formulae we can find the perimeter. So we start from perimeter. Perimeter, you have to find first bit perimeter, second bit square area, third bit you have to find diagonal of rectangle. Okay, diagonal of rectangle. If L equal to length, if length is 30 and breadth equal to 20. So first perimeter is what? Perimeter equal to 2 times L plus B. 2 into L is 30, B is 20. So 2 into 50, that is 100 units, it is in meters, so meter we have to put. Area is what? Length into breadth. 30 into 20, that is 600 square meters if it is in meters. Diagonal equal to root over L square plus B square. 30 square plus 20 square. Root over 30 square is 900, 20 square is 400. So this is nothing but 1300 square. So we can write this number as 100 into 13, 1300. Root of 100 is 10 and 13 is not a perfect number, so keep it in that. So the diagonal of a rectangle is 10 into root 13, 10 into root 13. Like this we can solve number of problems. Diagonal, perimeter, area, like that. Now parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, diagonals are not equal, and no angle is 90. No angle equal to 90 degrees. Remember that, no angle equal to 90 degrees. Very important one. Diagonals also not equal. Again area is what? Area is L into B. Same like rectangle. Perimeter equal to 2 into L plus 2 into sides. Okay, L here, this, and sides. 2 into adjacent side, sum of adjacent side. Sum of adjacent side we have to take. Adjacent side, not L plus B. Why? Because here perpendicular distance you have to take for area. This is height, base into height, or we can write length into breadth also. Length into breadth or base into height. So this is here side. Area over perimeter over, and diagonal. Diagonal is what? Here you have to take this, find this side and relation between them. So in competitive exam you will never get a problems of diagonal of parallelogram. So area and that is very important, and that you can find easily. Now it is rhombus. Rhombus, all sides are equal, diagonals are not equal. This is the way we can draw. It's a look like a kite. All sides are equal but diagonals are not equal. Okay, it is just like a square. All side. Area of rhombus is what? Rhombus is half into d1 d2, half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, and again, and perimeter is what? Perimeter equal to 4 into side, and diagonal 1, diagonal square. If you take this, so this is not 90, but this is there. You can make a relation, this and these are A. So we make a relation that d1 equal to, okay, we will draw this. So up to this we have to solve problems. Question 1, find the, you have a problem, find area of a rhombus whose diagonals are this. Given d1 is 25 and d2 is 30. Area equal to half into d1 dt, d1 d2, half 25 into 30. This and this gone, 15. Okay. Now 25 5s are 125, carry 12. 25 1s are 25 and 37 square centimeters. Okay, this is square centimeters. Like that we can find the values. Now next question, find its perimeter. Side is 15. Perimeter equal to what? Perimeter of rhombus rhombus equal to 4 into side. So that is 4 into 15, that is 60 meters if it is in meter, or centimeter if it is given in a same unit. You have to write same unit here. Okay. Now find side of a rhombus if d1 d2 is given. We know that side of rhombus equal to half into root over d1 square plus d2 square. So side equal to 1 by 2, root over we have to write 10 square plus 20 square. So this is half root over 10 square is 100, 20 square is 400. If you add it, it is 500. 500 is what? 25, 5 into 100 we can write. 5 into 10 into 10. Okay, square root of 10 is 10 by 2 root over 5. This is 5 root 2. The side of a rhombus is 5 root 2. Now area of trapezium. Trapezium, two sides are parallel and the distance between them are h. So side parallel side are a and b. So area equal to sum of parallel side into height into half. H 1 by 2 h a plus b is a area of a trapezium. Now find area of trapezium. A, b and h is given. So area is what? Area is half into h. H is 10. In bracket you have to write 5 plus 20. So this is nothing but 5 za. So 5 into 25. This equal to 125 square units. So like this we can find the area of trapezium. If you got a figure like this, so it is a trapezium. Again we have to write h equal to 20, a equal to 30 and b equal to 60. So area is what? Half into h, a plus b, that is half into 20, 30 plus 60. So it goes with 10 times, 20 na 10 times, 10 into 90. This is 900 square units. Okay, like that we can find the area of trapezium. Now quadrilateral, irregular shape, four side closed figure is a quadrilateral. Here we have to take diagonals. These are the diagonals. Okay, draw perpendicular from this diagonal from vertex. If it is there, it is, suppose this is 20, this is 30, this diagonal, and this diagonal also there. Is diagonal, if you are drawing a perpendicular and if it's 20 and this diagonal is 30, 40, so we can find the area of this shape. To get the area, we have to area of ABCD, quadrilateral ABCD is area of triangle ABD. This triangle we are taking. Another one we are taking this CBD. If you take these two, you can find the area of quadrilateral. Now area is half into H1BD plus half into H2BD. Here substituting half 20 into 30, half 30 into 30. So this gone, 10 into 30, half half is gone, so 15 into 30. So this is 300 and this is 450. So this is 750 square units. Like this we can find the solution.